and warm wish to all our viewers. We are back with another episode of Ledger Life. We have got some exciting and honestly pretty refreshing stories lined up for you today on Ledger Life. Before we get into all that, a quick reminder. If you enjoy our videos and want to support our mission at Ledger Life, please consider donating. Every bit helps us keep these stories coming. Our wallet details are in the description below. Let's keep the conversation honest, independent, and exciting. Wallets are getting chatty, and we are not just talking about more features or faster speeds. We are talking about actual conversations. Plug Intelligence just rolled out in version 2.6.0 of Plug Wallet, and with it comes Pluggy, a built-in AI assistant that lives inside your browser extension. You will see a little brain icon right next to your balance. Click it and suddenly your wallet's talking to you. You can now ask questions like, how did my ICP do this week? Or which token did I use the most? And Pluggy responds using your actual wallet data. No more flipping through endless transaction histories or opening 5 different dashboards. It's like having a translator for blockchain speak right inside your extension. The best part, it's all private. Pluggy doesn't touch your keys, doesn't act on your behalf, and doesn't sneak off with your data. It just reads the public info your wallet already has and answers you clearly. This AI isn't just a general purpose chatbot. It's been specifically trained for Plug Wallet's environment. It knows what you are trying to ask because it understands the wallet structure itself. That's a huge upgrade in usability. And let's be honest, crypto wallets aren't exactly known for being user-friendly. Pluggy changes that. It turns cold data into something warm and understandable. It's not managing your assets for you, but it helps you understand them. And sometimes that's all you need. We are still in the alpha phase, so expect some rough edges. But the Plug team is encouraging feedback, which shows they are building this with the community in mind. It's an open door to shape how AI and Web3 interact. A wallet that talks back might sound a little strange, but in a world of endless interfaces, having one that listens and actually makes sense, it could be a quiet revolution. And if you're wondering how much you have sent to a certain address, just ask Pluggy knows. It is simple as that. Now, while Pluggy is making wallets feel smarter, there is another transformation happening. Not in how we use crypto, but how much energy it takes to run it. And that's where our next story comes in. Something unusual is happening in blockchain circles, and it's not a hype cycle this time. The more work ICP does, the less energy it seems to need. Yeah, that's not a sentence you would expect to hear about a blockchain, but it's real. The Internet Computer Protocol is pulling off something the rest of the digital infrastructure world is still struggling with: cutting power usage while keeping performance razor sharp. This isn't just a slight improvement. ICP's energy usage has been consistently declining, all while continuing to handle throughput, responsiveness, and reliability like a champ. Smart contracts are deploying, blocks are being produced, just without the power-guzzling reputation that's plagued the industry. And it's not alone. HBAR is also topping charts for energy efficiency, with both platforms showing that it's possible to run a fast, secure blockchain without torching the planet. Now, here is what's interesting. ICP's low energy use isn't some greenwashing retrofit. This efficiency is baked in from the beginning. It's in the code, in the consensus model, in the hardware it supports, which means it's not just cleaning up a mess, it's avoiding it entirely. Compare that to older blockchains still scrambling to decouple their models from sky-high energy demands. Whether it's moving from proof of work to proof of stake or investing in carbon offsets, it all feels like damage control. ICP and HBAR, on the other hand, are already operating in a future most others are still trying to engineer. And investors, they are watching closely. ESG standards are becoming part of due diligence. Green isn't a bonus anymore, it's a filter. If a network can hit high performance benchmarks and still keep energy usage low, that's not just better tech. That's a better bet. So far, ICP is checking all the boxes. high responsiveness, high decentralization, and a shrinking energy footprint. A rare combo in a space where growth usually means more servers, more power, more emissions. And it's already making an impact. Developers are choosing greener platforms. Institutions are warming up to them. The crypto energy debate, it might just shift on from excuses to examples. While everyone has been looking at Ethereum's L2 drama or Solana's speed, ICP has been quietly hitting numbers that sound almost made up. And alongside that, 1.2 trillion cycles burned, which currently works out to one ICP token being burned every 2 seconds. So what does that mean? It means this network isn't just fast, it's active. That cycle burn rate isn't speculation, it's real use. It reflects smart contracts running, applications executing, and tokens being consumed for actual on-chain computation. Remember, own ICP cycles are the fuel. You buy them by converting ICP, and when you use them to run a smart contract, they are burned. No staking gimmicks, no artificial supply caps, just pure use. And it's not some marketing stunt. These numbers crept up with almost zero fanfare. No hype train, no noisy promises, just developers building stuff and users actually using it. From social media platforms and games to DeFi systems and enterprise tools, everything is running natively without relying on traditional cloud hosting. No AWS, no Firebase, it's full stack, on-chain and decentralized by design. That matters because the more self-contained the system is, the fewer points of failure there are. The tighter the integration, the better the performance and the higher the privacy. What's even more impressive is how sustainable this activity is becoming. Every time a developer launches an app, every time a user interacts with it, the network doesn't just scale, it burns. That deflationary pressure builds over time. The more adoption increases, the tighter the supply gets. And again, this isn't future talk. It's now. Dashboards already show the cycle burn. The deflation mechanism is already in motion, and the tone of what's being built, it's practical. It's useful. We are talking tools, not tokens. Utilities, not hype. There is still plenty to prove, but right now ICP is threading a needle that few others have managed. Performance without waste, scale without spam, economics without speculation. If you found these updates valuable, please consider supporting our work. Donation wallet addresses are in the description, and it really helps us stay independent and keep producing content that's built around you, not hype. And don't forget all the projects we talked about today, from Plug Intelligence to ICP and HBAR. We have linked them in the description too, so you can explore further and see what makes them tick. Thanks so much for spending time with us. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share it with someone who is still trying to decode their wallet balance manually. Till next time, stay curious, stay secure and always keep your keys safe.